More updates coming in on the Ludhiana blast case. According to the Director General of Police in Punjab, the alleged bomber had links to Khalistani elements, gangsters and even drug smugglers. Cops are now stating that they have found several leads from the spot. They found tattered clothes, a SIM card, a mobile phone and a tattoo on his arm, of which the body has been found. The bomber was allegedly carrying explosives as per initial assessment that has come from the investigators. Right now, it appears that this man, according to the police, was a dismissed police head constable, and he was at this point also carrying some narcotics drugs. He had already been previously arrested in 2017. All right, let's listen in now to what Director General of Police Punjab, Siddharth Chattopadhyay, told my colleague Kamaljit Sandhu, who has been tracking all the latest on Ludhiana.
That there is somebody called at 9:11 from some laptop. So do you think some handler was
पूछ लेंगे सर if he sir okay DGP sir English में करना आपने English में बोला नहीं sir in a major twist in the Ludhiana blast case, we have with us DGP Siddharth Chattopadhyay. Sir, quite an unexpected discovery that a dismissed head constable has been behind this. What are the leads? Has the RDX been recovered? And most of all, what was the motive in this case?
RDX has not yet been discovered. RDX is yet to be identified. The forensic science teams of our state and the center are working on it. We will get to know in a couple of days what was the explosive material used. As far as the police head constable is concerned, the head constable was arrested for carrying drugs. And in fact, his case was under trial in Ludhiana, in the same courts, and was due to be listed on the 24th, just prior to that. So action had been taken against him. It's because of the time when he was in jail. We feel that he came in touch with various other members of the mafia and terrorist groups. And that is where this blending, merging, this dangerous cocktail came up. And so he came to take his own sort of revenge against the courts, against the legal system, against society.
Many were talking about a sabotage. Is there any external link? Are fingers pointing towards Pakistan?
Yes, there are, but I will confirm the details only when we have concrete details in hand. Yes, there are very strong indications.
You're new in position. There have been several cases of sacrilege and lynching. What about the Amritsar case? The disease is still not identified.
We are in the process. We are in the process.
Is that also one final question? One final question on Bikram. So obviously, at this point of time, surrounded by media, there seems to be quite a huddle. But the case has been cracked in the 24 hours time, and saying more details will come out. But clearly, in a major crackdown, in a major case, what is important is that there was a black sheep, and in a bid to ensure that there is a delay in his own trial in a case in Ludhiana court, that is where this particular explosion took place. Where he got the explosives from, what is the conspiracy, how many people are involved, these are key questions which are still to be answered. With camera person Chandi Ram, this is Kamaljit Sandhu in Chandigarh for India Today.
All right, we have some more news now coming.